The government today filed a fresh affidavit in the 2G cancellation case, and it has said it fully complied with the Supreme Court's order on the 2G case. And for more on that particular development, which is just coming in, Gauri Dwivedi joins in from New Delhi. Gauri, take us through all the details of the affidavit and what is the impact on the sector and in particular the 2G case.
Nisha, the government has filed an affidavit stating that all procedures really were as per the law, and it has actually complied with the Supreme Court order. If you remember, the Supreme Court had pulled up the government a couple of weeks back, saying that if the entire spectrum that was vacated, that was 540 megahertz, why wasn't all of it actually put up for auction? And in that sense, its order dated 2nd of February 2012 has not been followed in spirit by the Department of Telecom. And to that, the DOT has given an affidavit stating that it has followed the order in principle, in spirit, and in fact the amount of spectrum that was actually put up for auction, about over 340 megahertz, was actually justified, given that a certain amount of spectrum had to be kept aside for refarming. That was actually in the best interest of the sector. That is what the affidavit states. And then it also goes on to state that out of the 122 licenses that were quashed, it belonged only 52 entities actually applied back for a license, and all of them got back fresh spectrum in the auction. So clearly it's saying that there was not a case of any of the entities having lost out in the auction due to a spectrum shortage. They all got spectrum as per their needs. So in that sense, there wasn't any justification for actually putting up the entire spectrum that was vacated for auction. It also goes on to say that the auction that was concluded on 14th of November 2012 followed the Supreme Court order. So that is exactly what the DOT says. It was pulled up by the Supreme Court. It has gone on to say that the auction was as per the procedure, as per the spirit and the principle that was really put up by the Supreme Court.